I want to introduce you guys to a pretty cool site. You can make money by renting out your car. Yeah, like you can really rent out your car. These guys, as you can see, have an app, and basically you list your car. They're not available in all areas, so you have to check if they're available in your areas, but it's getaround.com. You basically list your car, and other people will rent it from you and pay you, right? So here are some car listings that you can rent. You can see their listings, and you can make up to they advertise you can make up to $10,000 a year, which wouldn't be very bad. Of course, depending on your car and depending on your area, this would differ, but certainly worth taking a look into it if you're not afraid of renting out your car. And you can get insurance and all that kind of stuff. So, but they do promote themselves as you make extra income by renting out your car. So if you have a car to rent out that you're not afraid to rent out to strangers, this can be a pretty easy way to make money.